It is the most diverse collection of weaponry in modern history. While drones watch from above, the ground war is decided by the rifle, the missile, and the machine gun. From Soviet iron to domestic technology and a massive arsenal of NATO aid, this is the complete catalog of firearms defending Ukraine. Let's start with the handguns, the backup weapons carried by officers, special forces, and vehicle crews. Fort 14TP, the domestic standard. Manufactured by the Science Industrial Association Fort in Vinnytsia. A robust, all-steel semi-automatic pistol designed to withstand extreme temperatures. It features a chrome-plated barrel for extended service life and holds 14 rounds of 9x18mm Makarov or 9x19mm Luger ammunition. Makarov PM, the Soviet legacy. The standard sidearm of the Eastern Bloc for decades. Simple, blowback operated, and incredibly reliable, it is virtually jam-proof. However, its small 8-round magazine and weak stopping power against modern body armor have relegated it to rear echelon duties. Glock 17, the Western standard. The Gen 4 and Gen 5 models supplied by allied nations. Known for its safe action trigger system and lightweight polymer frame. It is the preferred sidearm of the GUR and Kraken regiments, often modified with tactical lights and red dot sights for close quarters house clearing. CZ Scorpion Evo 3, the compact sprayer. A modern 9mm submachine gun from the Czech Republic. Lightweight and utilizing mostly polymer construction, it fires from a closed bolt for greater accuracy. It is issued to vehicle crews and VIP protection details who need immediate, high-volume firepower in tight spaces. Next is the assault rifles, the workhorses of the war. AK-74, the absolute standard. The backbone of the infantry, chambered in the 5.45x39mm cartridge, known for its poison bullet that tumbles upon impact, causing massive internal damage. Reliable in the mud and snow, it accepts a wide range of modern modifications like optics rails and suppressors. AKM, the heavy hitter, the older 7.62x39mm variant. While it has more recoil than the AK-74, its heavier bullet offers superior barrier penetration, allowing it to punch through brick walls and dense forests better than modern small caliber rounds. Malyuk, the Vulcan, Ukraine's homegrown bullpup conversion of the AK platform. By moving the action behind the trigger, it maintains a full-length barrel in a compact package. It features a polymer chassis that manages heat better, allowing sustained fire without burning the operator's hands. MSBS Grot, the Polish gift, a state-of-the-art modular rifle system from FPV Drones. It features fully ambidextrous controls and a quick-change barrel system. Donated in the thousands, it has proven exceptionally reliable in the harsh conditions of the Eastern Front, earning high praise from Ukrainian soldiers. M4A1 carbine, the American aid, the standard issue of the U.S. military. Direct impingement gas operation makes it lighter and more accurate than the AK platform. It allows Ukrainian elite units to utilize the full spectrum of Western accessories, including thermal optics and IR lasers for night raids. FNF 2000, the exotic, a futuristic bullpup supplied by Belgium. It features a unique forward ejection system that pushes spent casings out the front, making it truly ambidextrous. Its sealed polymer housing prevents mud and debris from entering the mechanism, making it surprisingly durable. Next is the precision rifles, the long-range eliminators, UAR-10, a domestic AR-10 platform manufactured by Zbroyer. Chambered in 7.62x51mm NATO, it features a stainless steel match-grade barrel and a monolithic upper receiver. It is capable of sub-MOA accuracy, allowing designated marksmen to engage targets effectively out to 800 meters. Barrett M82, the Light 50, the American legend, a semi-automatic .50 BMG anti-material rifle. Its massive recoil is tamed by a large muzzle brake. In Ukraine, it is used primarily to disable light vehicles, detonate unexploded ordnance, and punch through brick cover to eliminate snipers. Snipex Alligator, the domestic monster, a massive bolt-action anti-material rifle chambered in the gigantic 14.5x114mm mm cartridge. It is 2 meters long and weighs 25 kilograms. It is designed to tear through the engine blocks of BTRs and destroy radar stations from over 2 kilometers away. Next is the machine guns, the suppressors. RPK-74, the squad automatic. Effectively a beefed-up AK-74 with a longer, heavier barrel and a bipod. It feeds from 45-round magazines. While it lacks a quick-change barrel, its commonality with the standard rifle makes logistics simple for squad-level operations. PKM, the King of the East. A general-purpose machine gun designed by Mikhail Kalashnikov. Weighing only 7.5 kilograms, it fires the full-power 7.62 x54R round from belts. Its reliability is legendary. It will continue to cycle even when filthy, making it the beloved backbone of infantry fire support. FNMAG/M240, the King of the West. The NATO standard GPMG. Heavier than the PKM at 12 kilograms, but built like a tank. It features a gas regulator to adjust fire rates and a quick-change barrel system, allowing for continuous suppression without overheating. MG3, the German buzzsaw, a modernized version of the World War II MG42. It fires the 7.62 mm NATO round at a terrifying 1,200 rounds per minute. Its distinct, tearing linoleum sound is a psychological weapon that suppresses enemy movement through sheer volume of fire. M2 Browning, the heavy trophy. The Ma-Deuce, in service for nearly a century. This .50 caliber heavy machine gun can destroy light armored vehicles and turn concrete cover into dust. It is often seen defending checkpoints or mounted on technical pickup trucks. PMM 1910 Maxim, the Antique, the water-cooled beast from 1910. While heavy and immobile, its water jacket allows it to fire indefinitely without overheating. In static trench defense against meat wave assaults, a Maxim can fire thousands of rounds non-stop where modern air-cooled guns would melt. Next is the heavy support, the explosive delivery systems. AGS-17 Plamia, the Flame, an automatic grenade launcher firing 30 mm rounds. It is used for indirect fire, lobbing high-explosive fragmentation shells over obstacles and into enemy trenches up to 1,700 meters away. MK-19, the Thumper, the American heavyweight. It fires larger 40 mm high-velocity grenades. When using HEDP, high-explosive dual-purpose, rounds, it can penetrate 2 inches of armor, making it effective against BMPs and BTRs. M32A1, the Revolver, a handheld, 6-shot grenade launcher. It utilizes a spring-driven cylinder mechanism. It provides a squad with immediate area denial capability, allowing a single soldier to blanket a room or trench line with explosives in seconds. Mossberg 500, the Drone Hunter, a pump-action 12-gauge shotgun. Once rare on the battlefield, they are now essential equipment. Loaded with birdshot or buckshot, they are the most cost-effective way to shoot down low-flying FPV suicide drones before they strike. Next is the drones and aerial munitions. The Mosquito Fleet. FPV Drones, the Suicide Swarm. Cheap, civilian racing drones fitted with RPG warheads or plastic explosives. Flown by pilots wearing video goggles, they are the $500 tank killers, capable of chasing moving vehicles and striking their weakest armor points with surgical precision. Vampire Hexacopter, the Baba Yaga, a heavy-lift agricultural drone repurposed as a night bomber. Equipped with thermal cameras, it hovers silently over Russian positions in the dark, dropping massive payloads to destroy dugouts and tanks. It is notoriously difficult to jam. Switchblade 600, the Silent Arrow, an American-made loitering munition. Unlike the makeshift FPVs, this is a military-grade system with a specialized anti-armor warhead. Can patrol an area for 40 minutes before diving onto a target at high speed. Next is the anti-tank weapons. The Armor Breakers, RPG-7, the Classic, the most recognizable weapon in the world. A reusable launcher that can fire a variety of warheads, from thermobaric charges for bunkers to tandem heat rounds capable of defeating reactive armor. The T4, the Disposable, a Swedish-designed single-shot 84mm launcher. Preloaded and disposable, it is issued to riflemen for immediate use against light armor or fortified positions in urban environments. Panzerfaust 3, the Tank Buster, German engineering at its finest. It features a telescoping standoff probe that detonates the warhead at the optimal distance. It is famously capable of being fired from enclosed spaces without killing the operator with backblast. Carl Gustav M for the multi-role, a sophisticated 84mm recoilless rifle. Unlike disposables, it is a reloadable system with a rifled barrel. It can fire smoke, illumination, anti-structure, and airburst rounds, making it a Swiss Army knife of destruction for special forces. Next is the guided missiles, the tank killers, NLAW, the ambush predator, a short-range missile system. It uses a unique, predicted line of sight guidance. The operator tracks the target for 3 seconds, and the missile calculates the intercept. It flies over the tank and detonates downwards, crushing the thin top armor. FGM-148 Javelin, the Icon, the premier portable anti-tank system. Its command launch unit, CLU, acts as a thermal imager for spotting targets. The missile climbs high into the air and dives onto the target in top attack mode, bypassing the heavy frontal armor of main battle tanks. Stugna-P, the domestic hero, a tripod-mounted laser beam riding missile. Its defining feature is the remote control station with a long cable. This allows the operator to fire the weapon from the safety of a deep bunker while the launcher sits exposed on the surface. Finally, the air defense, the sky clearers. Igla-1, the Soviet standard, an older infrared homing manpads. While susceptible to modern flares, it remains dangerous to low-flying helicopters and Su-25 attack jets operating near the front lines. FIM-92 Stinger, the Afghan legend, a passive infrared homing missile supplied by the US. It uses a chilled seeker head for better target acquisition. It effectively denies airspace to enemy aviation below 10,000 feet. Piorun, the Thunderbolt, a highly advanced Polish upgrade of the Igla design. It features vastly superior sensors capable of tracking targets even at night and ignoring thermal decoys. It is credited with shooting down high-performance aircraft like the Su-34, Starstreak, the British Dart, the fastest short-range missile in the world, reaching Mach 4. Instead of a single explosive warhead, it releases 3 laser-guided tungsten darts that use kinetic energy to physically tear apart the airframe of the target.